The sun dipped low, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, as Cleopas trudged along the dusty road to Emmaus. His heart was heavy, weighed down by the recent events in Jerusalem. Each step echoed his sorrow, a mournful rhythm accompanying his solitude. The memory of Jesus' crucifixion haunted his thoughts. The man he had believed to be the Messiah was now gone, and the future seemed bleak. The promises of hope and redemption now felt like distant dreams, shattered by the harsh reality of the cross. A figure appeared in the distance, slowly drawing nearer. Cleopas squinted, wondering who this stranger might be. His steps quickened slightly, a mix of curiosity and apprehension stirring within him. "Friend, what troubles you so deeply?" the stranger asked, his voice gentle and kind. Cleopas paused, surprised by the stranger's concern. Hesitantly, he began to recount the events of the past few days. "Are you the only one in Jerusalem who doesn't know?" Cleopas exclaimed, his voice laced with disbelief. He couldn't fathom how anyone could be unaware of the tragedy that had unfolded. The stranger simply listened, his expression calm and attentive. He recounted the story of Jesus of Nazareth, the prophet mighty in word and deed. He spoke of the hopes he and others had placed in him, the belief that he would redeem Israel. Now, all seemed lost. He described the empty tomb, the reports of angels, and the confusion that gripped the disciples. The women's testimony both amazed and bewildered them. The reports were difficult to believe. The stranger listened patiently, offering no judgment, only a gentle curiosity. His presence was calming, a subtle balm to Cleopas's troubled spirit. There was solace in the silence. "How foolish you are, and how slow to believe," the stranger finally exclaimed. His words were firm, yet tinged with compassion. He began to unravel the scriptures. He explained how the Messiah had to suffer, fulfilling the prophecies of old. Every word resonated with a newfound clarity. The path to glory was paved with suffering. Beginning with Moses, he traced the threads of prophecy, weaving a tapestry of divine purpose. Each scripture unveiled a deeper meaning, a hidden layer of understanding. The old words shone anew. As they walked, Cleopas felt a warmth spreading through his heart. The pieces of the puzzle were falling into place. Hope began to flicker, a small flame in the darkness. "Stay with us, for it is nearly evening, and the day is almost over." The invitation was heartfelt. The stranger agreed, accepting the warmth of human companionship. They entered the village together, the promise of rest and a shared meal awaiting them, a simple act of kindness. Inside Cleopas's home, a humble meal was prepared. The aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. A sense of anticipation filled the small room. As the stranger took the bread, he gave thanks, a familiar gesture. He broke it and offered it to Cleopas, a moment suspended in time. In that instant, Cleopas's eyes were opened. He recognized him. It was Jesus, risen from the dead. A wave of realization washed over him. But then Jesus vanished from his sight. He was gone as quickly as he had appeared. Cleopas sat in stunned silence. Filled with exhilaration, Cleopas rose and hurried back to Jerusalem. The night no longer felt dark, but illuminated by new hope. He had to share the news. "He is risen! We have seen him," Cleopas exclaimed, his voice filled with joy. "We have seen him!" He recounted his encounter on the road, the stranger who had opened the scriptures, the breaking of the bread. The disciples listened in rapt attention. Doubt and disbelief slowly gave way to wonder and awe. The room filled with a sense of shared joy. The impossible had become reality. The story of the road to Emmaus spread, a testament to the power of faith and the enduring presence of Christ. The message was simple: He is risen. Even in moments of sadness and confusion, Jesus walks with us, guiding us through the darkness. He is always near, even when we cannot see Him. The journey is not always easy. He opens our eyes to the truth, revealing the depths of His love. Trust in His presence, and He will turn sorrow into joy. He is always with you.